Get ready to dive into the world of Excel magic with a big smile. Welcome to a journey that will turn your data manipulation and preparation into a joyful dance of spreadsheets. Hey there, Excel explorers. Grab your virtual party hats because we are about to turn spreadsheets into a joyous celebration. Join us as we unveil the secrets of data manipulation and preparation in Excel. Greetings, Excel explorers. It's time to inject some excitement into your spreadsheets. Join us for an extravaganza of learning as we master the art of data manipulation and preparation in the world of Excel. Let's turn data into a party as we delve into data manipulation and preparation in Excel. Okay, starting with some practical example. Let me tell you first thing. Here we have data tab where we have a lot of tools for data manipulation. Majorly have a tab of data tools, group of data tools where we have a lot of option of data manipulations and preparing, which will be explained in this video one by one. Here I have two examples to understanding data manipulation. First of all, I copy it and move to your Excel sheet. Just paste it. Now you can see it is not formatted in a good way. Like each data is stored in single cell. All the other cells are empty. To organize it manually, it takes too much time. For example, it's too much long data. It will take your whole day. Just select your data. Go to data tools. Here is you have an option of text to column. Select it. Sorry, we have selected wrong data. For example, we just select the data, text to columns. Make sure it is delimited. Text to columns. Make sure it is delimited. So next, here we have some common delimiters, but we have no common delimiter, so we have to tell them. So just I told him. He also show example how your data will be organized. Just select next. Keep as it is. If you want some more editing, you can do it. So just finish. Like boom, its formatting is changed. We can format it like this. Now data looks pretty and it did not take my whole day. It is just did in 5 to 10 seconds. Moving to another example, just copy it from there, go to your Excel sheet, place it there. Now again we have same problem. I will go to data tab, text to columns, delimit it. I chose wrong data. So first of all you have to select data, accurate data which you want to format. So text to column, make sure it is checked with delimited. Next, now we have common delimited, which is comma. You can see after each information we have comma. For example, full name, comma, age, comma, email address, comma. Like this, my whole data is have common delimiter, so I select it from there, comma. Other will be unchecked. So like you can see, it give us example. So I will go next. I will go with journal data format. So finish like this. Boom, your data is formatted in just few seconds. Like the phone number, email address. Let's move to some other options which are also available in data tools. First of all, after text to columns we have flash fills, which is already discussed in previous video in detail. Moving further, we have remove duplicates. Let me show you how it will work. For example, here you can see I have Robert Williams. Again we have Robert Williams. and we have duplicate entries, but we don't want duplicate entries. It is smaller data. For example, if you're working with bunch of data, so you don't want one entry again and again, you just want to remove it by doing manually. Go and find, it is a small data, you can see here is Robert William, again here is Robert William, but in large bunch of data it is not possible to make sure again and again how many times value repeating. We just move to data tools, click remove duplicates. It will select all the data. It will detect automatically duplicates. Like see, it detects 3 duplicate values found, 6 unique remain same. It deleted all the duplicate values. Now my data is well formatted and no duplicate value is there available. Here you have option of add filters. For example, I select my data, I add filters. Now you can see each column has their filter. You can sort it according to their requirement. For example, I want age younger first and older beneath there, in ascending order or descending order, whichever you want. For example, I sort smallest to largest like this, younger first and older at the last. You can add filters and customize it according to your cell, according to your requirements. Here is another option is available in data tools, data validations. Let me show you how it will work for us. For example, I want vaccination status of them in this block. I just want vaccination status in yes or no or partially vaccinated. I don't want comments or anything else. I just add filter to it. So I go to data validation, input list. So list will be yes, vaccination status yes, comma, otherwise no. Only I allow 2 options, input message status of vaccination, error alert, just stop, respond in yes or no only. I will put in error message and title is wrong information. It will show whenever someone tries to put other words irrespective of yes or no. Now moving to example. For example, if I put yes, it will accept. If I put anything else, partially yes. So first of all we have to apply all to it. If for example I do partially yes, so yeah, it will show error, wrong information, respond yes or no only. So we will retry, just put no, it will accept it. Thank you for joining us on this exciting Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and keep spreading the joy of Excel ahead. Until next time, let's keep the Excel fun alive.